Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we begin, there is one thing that I will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They can provide it in a box, you can find it somewhere in there, but assuming you can't bother with finding it, you can always use something like a paper clip and just straighten out one of the edges. It should fit just good enough in there. So as you can see, the tray is located on the left upper side of the device. Push it in, and here you have access to the tray itself. Now, the tray will take two different SIM cards and an SD card. So you can place the SIM card in either one of the trays, it doesn't really matter. And make sure that it's laying flush on there. As you can see, this one, these are. And then you want to slide it back into the device while holding the cards secure, otherwise they will fall out. And it should pop out right about now with the, there we go, pin for the SIM card. So let's put the pin, unlock, and there we go. So the SIM card is working based on the pin, and we should also see something about the SD card. Let's go here and see the storage maybe. Assuming it's in like some kind of reasonable location. There we go, storage, and there it is, SD card. So you can see that SD card is also working. So that is how you would insert both the SIM card and the SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.